After you've finished rolling on all the paint on the walls, it's time to attack the trim. Now, we don't have a lot of trim in this room, a little bit of door trim, base molding, and a window sill, so it won't take that long, but this is where you really got to take your time, because a true sign of a professional paint job is when your trim color and your wall color has a nice defined line. Now, here's how we'll get to that point. First of all, using a smaller trim brush that I really like to use, a sash brush like this. And of course, we've already cleaned the trim, and in order to keep it off the carpet, this little guide works very well, just to tuck it right down at the bottom of the trim. Then you're able to start applying the paint. And like I say, you need to just take your time on this so that you have those professional results that you're looking for. Now here, we're painting over a previously painted surface, but if you have a situation where maybe you have some stain trim like we have over here, that takes a couple extra steps to paint over something that's previously been stained. First, you'll need to rough up the surface with a sanding sponge or sandpaper, or by applying a deglosser. This will take the shine off the wood and give the primer something to bite onto. It's also a good idea to use a stain blocking primer in this type of situation. Just a little more painting of the trim and this project will be complete.